was gonna say, Fian, it's been so long. Something's not right with that water. Why is the camera making me look bald? Maybe it's not the camera. Anyway, welcome back. Today is September 30th. Yeah, 12:53. I have no school today. Today's an unboxing video. Okay, why does it do that? It focuses and loses focus, and it's starting to anger me because it never used to do that. 2 hour-long packages. I'm showing the back side. There's one thing about me. I will leak that address. And this is my SD card. No. Why am I lying? What do they call these? This was expensive as fuck. Like, I literally was like, it can't be real. It's a portable SSD. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's the storage. It's used for storage. This could have fit in here. It all came the same day. It was ordered the same day. Amazon likes to do too much. For both YouTube and TikTok under each other. I'm including everybody. First on the list, I got mics. Plug and play, noise reduction, precise radio. Right. Yup. What is this? Oh, wireless. Oh, of course. Girl, I thought it meant like it was Wi-Fi. It's like, we need Wi-Fi. Another light because my cousin broke mine. This is for my camera. Why is there dirt in this bag? Amazon, what's going on, girl? I mean, in this box. It's okay, it's a UBC hub. Okay, yeah. I really hope I got everything I need for this damn MacBook, because it's like, so I can use it for editing as well. This was expensive. Are we seeing the size of this? I'll open everything up so you guys know what's in here. Okay, let's start with this. Guys, we actually can't be real. And you connect it to my camera, so now I have 2 holes so I can use the wind muffler and a light at the same time, because the camera only comes with 1 slot that I can only use for either or. So now it's 2. Ooh, one of these things, like the ones on Apple. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. Plug this in to whatever UBC portal you have, and then they have like slots for other things. It's for editing. Graded one. Let's turn it on. Oh. Ooh. Why am I low-key kind of glad she broke it? Shit. What? The other one only had this light, but this one has all the lights I've wanted, especially this warm, cold tone one. Like, if you know, you know. What? Sorry, y'all. You turn it off. You hear that click. So I got another light. Hard drive. Oh, the words are coming to me now. Is it a hard drive? It's like a space, a place where you store space. It says portable SSD. I asked ChatGPT which one is the best one, and it says this one, so I got it. It's so small. I thought it'd be like bigger. I thought it'd be bigger. It's so cute. The mics. Am I eating? Is the lighting eating? Is it better? It's got its own case. Its own case and shit. But better have his own damn case for that price. It was just the wires that dropped. We're good. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm guessing these are the mics. Oh, okay. Oh, this is crisp. What? Look. What this, the names are. Okay. Oh, it's like a little fuse to connect to my phone. USB-C and then camera. There's this hole here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, okay. And then there's a hole in here. So maybe. Oh shit, I was right. Why don't you talk? Hello? Hello? Hello! Oh, it's not on. My next purchase on Amazon is going to be a phone light because I don't have one, and then a lot of other things. Now I feel like I should have done my makeup. That ain't stopping me from not doing it though. Shit. Let's start. Yo. Shit, that's why I'm here for this unboxing. I got AirPods for free after purchasing this because of the student discount, but I did give them to my brother, so they're not in here. But they were the active noise cancellation. I think these were the newest ones. Wouldn't know, don't care, I don't keep up with stuff like that. It's just not gonna work. Yo, focus. Okay. I've never done this before. Like this peeling. Shit better not fall out. Oh, I can't be aesthetic for shit. For nothing. I'm trying to not swear. We're doing it my style. I don't follow people. I'm the leader. Ooh. Let's get to this. Hey, Jesus, wait. Oh my days, God is so good, bro. Like, I generally thank God. Ooh. Guys, I heard the fingerprints. I'm not seeing any fingerprints though. Shit. Guys, I got it in black. This is, I didn't even tell you which one. This is the 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch. Right, let's get into it. Midnight. They claim it's midnight. Like, my phone claims it's black, but he's blue. The charger, what? There's no aesthetics when it comes to me. I like to get to my products quick. See how fast that money left my account? That's how fast I'm opening it. Look at this. Oh yeah. That was a really scary face. Why is the charging block? Why isn't it white? I mean, why isn't it black? No, I don't like this. Why isn't the charger black? Why isn't the... Mind you, this is 3 different colors. First we got black. Then we got gray. Then we got white. Let's turn it on. Oh. I've been told y'all. Apple is always, they don't know their colors, bro. Talking about black. This shit's blue. Just like my phone. Just be scamming. What? This is insane. Let me. Even the keypad is feeling. Girl. Anyway, I'm going to go set this up alongside with the video. Look at how it looks. Wait.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Look at how it, like, what? Guys. Like, what? Wait, let me turn this. Let's get, like, yo, if this thing doesn't fuck, I don't know what its issue is. Like, what? What? God did. Okay. I'm gonna set this up and then I'll be back and show you guys the end. I don't think I'm gonna like style it up because it's just never that serious yet, and I like to take my sweet time. I'm gonna select English because I speak English. Transfer your data. Fuck no. I'm setting this whole up new. Set up as new. Okay. Thanks for watching my haul, guys. That is literally, I'm so excited. This video on YouTube will be edited on this, hopefully. I'm so happy and grateful. I don't know when this video is gonna be out. Probably today, because I don't have school today or tomorrow. So it's not that I have anything else that I'm doing. But oh my gosh, I don't even like, this is insane. This is insane. Thank you, God. Like, you guys don't even understand. Like, without God, shit. Okay, I'll be back when this is set. I know I've said that like 200 times. But I will be back when this is set up. And I will show you guys, like, you know, my apps or whatever. I'm not gonna decor it. I feel like I already said that as well. But, I mean, I have time, so shit. I feel like I should plug this in, though. Ooh, it has fingerprint too, guys. It has fingerprint too. This is insane. This is really insane. Like, this is really insane. What happened? Yeah. Okay, I'll actually be back. It's setting up. Yup.